Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create AI generated images with DALL-E step by step clearly. First, navigate to the DALL-E website by opening your preferred web browser. Once on the home page, you may need to log in or create an account. After logging in, locate the main interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the platform. In the designated text box, type a description of the image you want to create. Be as detailed as possible to enhance the quality of the generated image. Use specific adjectives and nouns to guide the AI in your desired direction. After inputting your description, click on the Generate button. Wait a moment as the AI processes your request and generates the image. Once the image appears, review it carefully. If the image meets your expectations, you can save it to your device. If not, refine your description and try generating again. Consider adjusting elements such as style, colors, and subjects to achieve the desired effect. When you are happy with the image, look for the download option. Click the download button to save your creation. You can also explore variations of the image for additional options. Keep experimenting by altering descriptions to see how the AI responds. Feel free to share your creations if you wish, but respect copyright guidelines. Enjoy the creative process and have fun with your AI-generated images. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.